and our Kelly Rule, who has been on the Kada Scott case pretty consistently for the better part of 2 weeks. And Kelly, just as we're getting ready to come on the air, there is an update on the charges that we all have been kind of waiting to see what happens.
Yes, we just got official confirmation from the medical examiner's office through Philadelphia police that the cause of death for 23-year-old Kada Scott is homicide. That is what investigators have been waiting on to move forward with homicide charges. So Philadelphia police said they are recommending homicide charges against 21-year-old Keon King. You'll recall he is in custody for kidnapping, arson, and other related charges connected to Kada's disappearance. They are now recommending homicide charges against him. Will ultimately be up to the district attorney's office to move forward and officially charge him. We have reached out to them and we have not heard back from them. Obviously, this just came out in the last 10 minutes or so. So it's going to take a little bit for those charges to officially be filed, but we are waiting confirmation that they will do that. At the press conference with the district attorney's office on Monday, they did say homicide charges will be filed this week. So we do expect that to come.
So this was not unexpected. I mean, there was still speculation as to whether or not there were other people involved as to how Kada Scott tragically lost her life. This confirmed what most people suspected, but it doesn't change how many people may be charged as they go forward. Those questions still have to be answered.
That's exactly right. We've been hearing from law enforcement sources all week that these homicide charges were coming and that they would be against 21-year-old Keon King. Again, he's been in custody and he's been charged twice now for different crimes, all again connected to Kada's disappearance. So we did know this was coming, but it does not change the fact that the investigation is ongoing. The district attorney's office, police did make it clear that they believe Keon King had help. We know that there's surveillance video over at the rec center here next to the school that showed another vehicle and other people there when the car that Keon King is connected to was there. So we do expect that there are others involved and that additional charges, additional arrests could come. This does not change that. And it doesn't change, maybe even additional homicide charges as well. But all along, they have been confident that homicide charges would be coming against Keon King. And now it's just a waiting game to see if that's ultimately what the district attorney's office moves forward with.
Okay, and so then just for my clarity, so the official ruling came out of the medical examiner's office. That was confirmation that it was homicide. Now the charges, the district attorney's office takes that information and decides how to proceed.
Exactly. All police can do is recommend charges to the district attorney's office, and they confirmed within just the past few minutes or so that is what they are doing. They are recommending homicide charges. That's kind of all they can do at this point. Now it's in the district attorney's office hands to move forward and officially charge him. Again, Keon King is in custody. He has been for almost 2 weeks now, I guess a week and a half or so, and has had 2 additional sets of charges against him. So this will just be additional charges when he's in custody, but it will be up to prosecutors to officially go forward with that.
Okay, and then obviously this was the news that we needed to get to immediately. But throughout the day, Kelly, and I kind of give us an update on that, you were also looking into questions and concerns that people had about kind of the state of the building, the facility, why some of this area had not been maintained.
Yeah, so this property has been vacant for more than a decade now, since 2008, and this has been an eyesore for the community. Neighbors in the community have complained about it for quite some time. And on Monday, when a flurry of landscaping crews showed up from the city's Department of Parks and Recreation and CLIP with the School District of Philadelphia, because it is a shared property, they were happy to see that there was some improvements being made, at least to the landscaping, but they were also frustrated, saying, it took a absolutely horrific tragedy to happen behind the school for all of this attention and all of this work to show up. So today we spoke with a longtime homeowner that lives just a few blocks away on Ardley Street, who also coaches baseball at the rec center here on the baseball fields and has for 25 years. Says it's a beautiful park, but often as people are playing there, this is the backdrop, and it's just been frustrating. So he wishes it never happened. He feels this is a tragedy that maybe could have been prevented here, not entirely, but a tragedy that could have been prevented here.